Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch has wallet configured with an active card, and the vending machine shows a contactless symbol. Once done, wake your device and authenticate. Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, so the card is ready. Approach the reader area, hold your device near the payment coil, not the product window, because proximity sensors vary. This first tap prepares the terminal to read your tokenized card securely and sets you up for the purchase. Now you perform the payment. Select the product, then hold your authenticated device steady near the machine's payment pad, about 1 to 4 inches away, because signal strength matters. Watch for a beep, vibration, or a green check on the display. That indicates the token exchange completed. If the machine shows prompts, confirm them immediately. Make sure to keep the device held until you see success feedback, since removing it too soon can interrupt the transaction and cause the machine to cancel the purchase. Complete the process by taking your product once the machine confirms payment and keep a printed or on-screen receipt if offered. It helps with refunds. If the payment fails, first check wallet. Ensure your default card is active and restart your device. Sometimes toggling airplane mode fixes the NFC. If problems persist, try a different card or use contactless debit. And finally, note the machine ID and contact the vending operator. This helps resolve terminal issues or refund requests quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.